Out of sudden, I realized I can afford my childhood dream smartphone. And here we are. This is high-tech ONE E9 Plus. Let's unboxing it. The unboxing experience is really good. It feels really premium. The fact high-tech make the box has different texture in here and in there really shows high-tech like to pay attention to detail. I feel like an important person by doing just unboxing this. After you open the box, you see the phone itself, obviously. Let's put it aside for a while. The separation to the other chamber, once again it has different texture on it. It feels soft something something and rough something something. I can explain it. In this chamber, on the left side you'll see the usual document papers. Nothing interesting on it. On the right side, you'll find the head charger. This is the first time I see such a long thing like it. And to accompany it is a Type A or standard USB to micro USB cable. And the last is the headset. It looks premium though. Sorry to not open any of it. I don't have intention to use any of it besides the headset, I think. And there's nothing we can see after this chamber. Time to look at the phone. It covers on this plastic bag. Once again, even this plastic feels nice on my hand. And even it cut perfectly precise to not block the camera, so the phone will slide neatly to my hand. This is high-tech ONE E9 Plus. Pretty good looking for 2015 smartphones. And yeah, I've used it for a month now. So there's this issue. The other video based of this phone will coming soon. Stay tuned for it. Whoa, I just realized something. High-tech put excessive amount of how to put SIM card and micro SD card tutorial, I think. Few of document papers really state how to do it, and even the bag of plastic also shows it. Look like it's because in 2015 the smartphones need to open its back cover to put the SIM card and micro SD card, but high-tech thinks it differently. So this happens to not make the buyer try to open its bags and damage the phone. I find something like this pretty unique, to be honest. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Feel free to comment about it in the comment section below. I'm Kami, thank you very much for watching, and as always, have a nice day.